That there is what's causing our next drama and our next project. Let me explain. Today is Sunday. And with this particular dumpster, I had to get into a job that required me to jackknife it, and I had no room, and I didn't really see everything behind me. So you know where I'm going with this. Yep, I nailed someone's carport structural pole. Well, what I really did was I hit their pot, which was a clay pot, and it backed it into the pole and bent it. So yeah, this is what's so far. I've got $60 invested into a pot, which I delivered to her yesterday. And then that was the first time I actually seen the pole, because I didn't know I bent the pole when I bent the pole. She told the contractor about it, and he contacted me. So yeah, yesterday I went out and looked at it, took some pictures of it. I'll show it to you there. So anyway, this pole cost around $130, and it's got to be shipped in. So my wife and I got on Facebook Marketplace, and we advertised we needed a 3x3 aluminum structural pole. And somebody responded and said they had one, which is fantastic. So the guy didn't want any money. I'm gonna give him $30 for it. Like I said, they go for like, I don't know, $130 brand new, and then they gotta be shipped in. So this, I'll get it today. Today's Sunday. I'll go get some concrete. And then I gotta go dig up that pole, cut it in half, replace it to make her happy. You know how much I made from that job after doing all this? Probably about $20. No, that's probably not even true either, because that doesn't include my time. So anyway, come along with us. I want you all to be part of this. I've got to make some positive out of it, and the positive is I'm bringing y'all with me. So let's go pick up that pole.
All right, guys, today we are backing up the dumpster. Keep on coming, you got plenty of space. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like.
Yep, that looks like the right house. Can't forget the old wallet.
Dang, this phone has got a quality. What in the crackhead? Oh, he's cleaning it for him. It's so cute. Bro, I just want to record every time. Like, dude, can you just hire a video thingy? A professional one instead of just your phone? Dude. Why are they out with me? That man is a little, oh, he's cutting it. I never seen metal getting sharpened. Oh my god.
Well, one thing, I fit in the car more better.
Ah, you're smart.
So he's cutting it for your dad because, I don't know.
Success to now.
I'm hungry.
we are gonna go get lunch and visit my daughter. So let's go. I wish they'd give me a free steak, but it doesn't work that way. You think me and my daughter worked here and everything, I'd get a free steak, but nope. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, right here.
Thank you.
Oh, it has a little apartment.
All right, there is the concrete. This is for our shower, which is another video, another project. We got a pipe. So, we paid $30 for this. Concrete was $5.24. And looking, the nuts were $1.04. No, $1. The washers were $1.04, and the bolts were $8.44. And then, like I said, we have money involved in the pot. I'll do a grand total here shortly, but I think I have everything we need to start working on a project maybe tomorrow.
I'm gonna be a bad boy.
Good morning, everybody. We are headed off to fix my nastiness that I did with the trailer. I think I explained it to y'all already, but I'll just tell you real quick. I was backing in, a sharp turn, couldn't see, hit the flower pot, broke the flower pot went into the pole, bent the pole on a carport. So I finally coordinated the days to hook up with her. I don't know why she's got to be there. She doesn't really need to be there, but whatever. I waited on her, so today's the day. It's Thursday. Hopefully I can knock it out this morning before any rain moves in, because it looks like there's some rain coming in around 11 to 12. But it really isn't that big of a job. Just when you're working remotely, you always forget things. I'm always double checking myself. Did I get this? Did I get that? Did I get this? Did I get that? I think I got everything, so I think we're ready to go. I'm drinking my coffee, and we should be headed that way shortly. So come along.
Where'd you go?
That there is rain right off the coast. And I'm hoping I can make this happen before it decides to let loose. We should be there in 5 minutes, so we'll see. And we are here. See if she gave me any room to park. She didn't move her car. She said she was going to move her car. She didn't move it. So I guess I'll just drop the carport right on top of it. Alright. I think I got everything. Here's my pole. Level. So, alright. Well, I think we're done. I'm gonna move some plants, but couldn't film a whole lot because it's not really my property, but let's go take a look at the finished product. Well, might be a little dirty and sweaty, but I got her done. That pretty little white post doesn't match anything with her house, but it's a pretty white post. It stands right out. So, it's done. I helped her rearrange her flowers back to where it was, poured concrete, put the posts in. Hardest part with that job was busting up the concrete, and that's when I wish I brought the hammer chisel. But I did it manually with a crowbar, got it loose. But it's done. Costly. That job didn't pay anything. But that's just part of the job, I guess. I'm trying to watch all these idiots. But anyway, so thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hope y'all don't have this problem. Also, not only am I happy to be done with that job, but we got slammed with rain on the way home, or I did, and you can just tell by my lake at the end of the driveway here. But now I got to unload my tools. I'm just really happy that the job's done and I was able to get it done dry. So my truck was filled with tools and crap. But anyway, y'all really thank you for watching and watching. If you're watching this part, you watched the whole video. That's fantastic. That's great. But we have more to do. We're going to start back into the bathroom. We've already started a little bit, but we're going back together with it. So make sure y'all subscribe, like, hit that button, because you don't want to miss our crazy bathroom adventures, and who knows what it's end up looking like. I'm not no contractor, and I never said I was. But anyway, let me get some of this stuff here unloaded while it's kind of like in a stage of intermittent drops. But thank you all. See you next time.